When I want to adjust the web version of the cinch lock, all I need to do is pull the adjuster until it's straight in line with that web, and it'll slide back until I drop it. As soon as I put pressure in there, it locks and it holds. Coming back to the pole, take the web, pull straight towards the pole. Under tension, I can take the web, pull it out, and as soon as it's straight, it's going to slide. You may find it easier, instead of pulling out to the side, to pull it up. So the technique is not to twist this adjuster. All you have to do is pull the web until this web is straight with the adjuster. So grab the adjuster here, put your thumb and finger up towards the top, pull it back until it starts to slip.